Hawaii volcano lava flow crosses onto geothermal plants' property as more escape routes threatened. A new lava flow is spewing from a fissure caused by Hawaii's Kilauea volcano crossed onto the geothermal plant property and continued its slow advance as officials worry that the molten rock could block more escape routes, trapping residents in several nearby neighborhoods on the Big Island. Lava flow from Fissure 21 crossed onto the Puna geothermal venture known as PGV and continued advancing east on the property. The flow continued its slow advance eastward early Sunday morning but has not moved significantly close to Kapoho Road. County, state, and federal agencies continue to monitor hydrogen sulfide levels and no hydrogen sulfide has been detected. Again, no hydrogen sulfide has been detected, officials said on Sunday. Residents have been concerned about the lava rupturing wells at the plant, causing deadly hydrogen sulfide and other gases to be emitted. Authorities already shut down the plant and removed 60,000 gallons of flammable liquid at the start of the volcano activity. The wells were also deactivated. At least 82 structures, including dozens of homes, have been destroyed since the volcano began erupting 3 weeks ago. About 2,000 people have fled their homes as lava encroached on neighborhoods. Authorities are concerned about lava cutting off escape routes on the Big Island. Highway 137 was shut down after lava flows crossed the road and entered the ocean, creating a deadly plume of gas called laze. Highway 130 is the is now the only way in and out of towns such as Kalapana, Kaimo, Kihina, and Opahikau